to A's Place, and today we're going to make a Zen Garden.
Let's get started.
Okay, let's look at our stuff that was
So here are our materials that we will be needing. So first, we found this old pot in our house that we thought that we should make it beautiful. So we're going to use this for a Zen garden. You can use any size of a pot you guys want. So next we put some bubble wrap inside to make it light. And then we're going to put this black tarp on it, like plastic sheet.
And this is our smaller version of a Zen garden.
Yeah.
That we made.
So we're going to add this black tarp on top. Like this. So here we added some indoor plants in. Now we have this pond that we created using rocks.
And then some blue paint inside.
And we're going to put this right here. We're adding the big plants now. Here you go, AJ. You can put this plant in.
Okay. Press it in so it doesn't fall.
Yeah. It's going to look like the plant is under the sand.
Okay.
There we go.
Oh, yes, one's left.
Yeah.
We have 3 more.
Perfect.
Yep, 3 more.
Now let's add the rocks and the sand.
Yeah, let's do it. This is going to take a long time.
Now we're adding the sand. Make sure to spread it out. Now let's add our Buddha.
Dad, this one's falling.
Now we're adding our Buddhas, the tiny ones.
Dad. Now they're doing the same thing that the giant ones do.
Now let's add the mini plants.
Yeah. Add them right there. All 3 of them. Same spot. Ah, that one's up.
Now we're going to add our Himalayan salt lamp.
Yeah, you could use whatever lamp you want.
Yeah, or any type of lights.
Oh, it's really crowded. We made a sign with popsicle sticks, and we're going to add it right here.
Perfect.
Yeah. Wow.
Now we're going to add some positive message rocks that we made. All you need to do is paint the rocks and write positive messages with markers. Let's put them.
So one here.
One there.
Here. One right here.
Put it there.
This. I'll just add it right here.
Just put it up right there. Is that it?
Yeah. Like that. Whoa, one all the way back there.
Yeah. Now we're gonna add our popsicle sticks. These
For
are
a
gonna be like our fence.
One right here. What? You're starting from there?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna start from there too.
Nice.
So where did it go? There it goes.
You can start from there. Okay. We're gonna put like 3 to 4 fences for each one.
Oh, they're already running up.
Now we're gonna fill our pond with water. add designs with this.
Kind of rack thing.
Yeah.
Just smooth the sand out.
Now we're going to cut the excess of our Zen Garden. Just these black parts.